Minecraft worlds transformed and new. Gratified recipes, what can you do? Stone Age struggle just to survive. Steam power rising, keep the dream alive. Circuits and gears spinning in time. Progression's ladder you've got to climb. From the depths of the earth to the stars up high. GT New Horizons, your limits defy. GT New Horizons, where tech meets magic. Explore the depths, it's gonna be tragic. Ore veins hidden, planets to roam. Build your empire, make this world your home. Automate, innovate, don't be tame. In this mod pack, nothing's the same. Thaumcraft whispers, arcane secrets flow. Blood magic rituals, power to grow. Wood to reap, brew in cauldrons deep. Twilight forest mysteries, rewards to reap. Magical essence flowing like streams. Thumanomicon guiding your dreams. Fusion of science and mystical arts. GT New Horizons, ignite your smarts. GT New Horizons, where tech meets magic. Explore the depths, it's gonna be tragic. Ore veins hidden, planets to roam. Build your empire, make this world your home. Automate, innovate, don't be tame. In this mod pack, nothing's the same. Realistic world gen, beauty unfolds. Biomes aplenty, wonders to behold. Roguelike dungeons, danger awaits. Village trading, ancient gates. Galactic craft rockets, touch the stars. Mine the cosmos from Earth to Mars. Every dimension holds a key. GT New Horizons, set your spirit free. GT New Horizons, where tech meets magic. Explore the depths, it's gonna be tragic. Ore veins hidden, planets to roam. Build your empire, make this world your home. Automate, innovate, don't be tame. In this mod pack, nothing's the same. Quest book guide, 3,000 strong. Loot bags and coins push you along. Nights are dark, hunger takes its toll, but you'll emerge stronger. That's the goal. Endurio conduits power flow. Applied energistics, watch it grow. Draconic evolution, ultimate might. Project red lamps, pierce the night. Railcraft tracks, spanning the land. Infrastructure grabbed by your hand. From steam engines to fusion core. GT New Horizons, always more to explore. Forestry fees, buzzing with life. Industrial craft to cut through strife. Cross breed your crops, genes combine. Hands harvest craft, taste divine. Spice of life, variety's key. Hunger pains fade, finally free. Modded Minecraft pushed to the brink. GT New Horizons, further than you think. Chemical plants rise, pipes intertwine. Blast furnace roaring, ores refine. Centrifuge spinning, elements pure. Vacuum freezer, alloys mature. Processing lines complex and vast. Automation unsurpassed. Chisel and carve blocks take new forms. Tones and patterns far from the norm. Floodlights blazing keep mobs at bay. Strategic thinking, that's the way. NEA guiding recipes clear. Quest book linking solutions near. Overclock your mind, push to the edge. G New Horizons, knowledge is your pledge. GT New Horizons, not for the weak. Months of gameplay, that's what you seek. Free stone tools and now replication. 8 years of mod integration. A single game from many parts. Hardcore darkness, test your hearts. Final, hard GT New Horizons, where tech meets magic. Explore the depths, it's gonna be tragic. Ore veins hidden, planets to roam. Build your empire, make this world your home. Automate, innovate, don't be tame. In this mod pack, nothing's the same.